Which of the following graphs is wider than this graph that's given? Now we know that this is a parabola because it's been squared. But we need to identify one that is wider. Now remember, which value will determine whether it's wider or narrow? Which value will determine the shape of that parabola? We know that the A value, this value here, will determine whether it's going to be wider or narrow. So therefore, I can get rid of the h and the k. The h and the k will tell me the location of the graph, but it's not going to affect the shape of the graph. Now, whether it's positive or negative is not going to affect it, so I'm just going to assume that they both are positive. And that way it will be easier to compare. I'm going to make a quick x and y axis. And I'm going to assume that all of them are going to be at 0, 0. Now, whenever it's a quadratic equation, it's no longer the slope, but for this type of equation, we can apply the same concept. This will be the rise over the run. So therefore, I'm going to go up 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and over 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Now, ideally, you want to find out a graph that's on the same page or on a different page and use that graph to compare. Otherwise, you can just build a quick graph. I'm looking for one that's wider. Now, let's try the next one. 9 over 4 will be rise over run. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 1, 2, 3, 4. We know that it's going to be narrower, so that's not it. Letter C is 3 over 1, so I'm going to go up 3, 1, 2, 3, and over 1. This one's also going to be narrower. The next one is up 1 and over 3. Up 1 and 1, 2, 3. Letter D is going to be the one that's wider. If you go over to the other side, 1, 2, 3, that's going to be wider. Now remember, even though this is not the slope, whenever it's asking for wider or narrow, or the shape of the graph, we can think about it as the slope concept.